Hey friends, if you wish to manage disk space using Storage Sense in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Storage. Now this switch needs to be on and then click on this forward pointing arrow. Okay, Storage Sense is kind of an intelligent feature in the system which checks what all you need to store and what all you do not need to store, so that these what do we say, files which are not required on your system are deleted automatically. Okay, so ideally it will run when you have low free disk space. Okay, right now I have a lot of disk space. I think I can see it on the C drive, but if it is slow, then Storage Sense will come into play, because otherwise I will lose my data, right? And it will delete files in recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days, which it usually doesn't delete. And you can change it. I mean, you can change it to 1 day, 14 days or something else, and delete files in the download folder if they have been opened for more than. Now this is selected never by default, because files in the download folder can be genuine ones, but you can also set it to something else like 30 days or 60 days. Again, it will only come to play if your system is short in memory, and then content will be become online only if not open for more than 30 days. What does it mean? So we have a lot of folders which are connected to OneDrive, and the data is stored both on your computer and on OneDrive. Now if you select this option, any content that was there for 30 days will not be downloaded to your system. It will remain online. If you click on it, it will be downloaded on your system, otherwise it won't. Now let's say that we have options to run it every day, every week, every month. But what if I want to run Storage Sense right now, like right now? Simply click on Run Storage Sense Now, and it will clear all those files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.